All right, down here trimming my favorite garden, which I can't tell you where it is because I'd have to kill you. Anyway, something popped into my head. Now it looks like there's going to be a cloud that's going to mess that up. But they had a big tree fall here, and it took away a lot of privacy from the neighbor next door. I'm not sure what the issue was. There's not a lot of, I guess you can see a house way over there. But anyway, they wanted to fill it up. I'm like, they're like, let's do it tropical area. I'm like, okay, let's do it. So I put in these king palms, giant bird of paradise. One of the palms I put in was Brahea, Clara. Look how pretty this is as a foliage plant, like an eye-level foliage plant, which it is for many years before it gets big. And there's all this green back here. It's just green, 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 right? All kinds of beautiful stuff. So I said, let's do a punch of color. Look at the color on this. It's just stupendous, if I say so myself. But yeah, so all these blue palms, they look the best when you contrast them with dark green or shadowy material behind them. And if the sun was out, this would even be more pronounced. But this is just a quick video to extol the virtues of Brahea, Clara, and blue palms, or blue plants in general. Brahea Clara is really cool because it has really big fronds. I mean, really big. There's my head. Huge, right? For scale. And it has really long petioles compared to Brahea armata, and they'll get even longer. They'll get even longer in the shade. And the other thing that defines Brahea Clara is it has a little bit of a droop to it. See this droopy droop? So it's not quite as blue generally as the Brahea armata, but all those other attributes really make up for it. And I always select the bluest of the blue, and we germinate seed from the bluest of the blue Braheas. So our Brahea Claras are always bluer than most Brahea armata. So keep that in mind, and come on down and buy one of those things, put in your garden, or just hire me. And look at this, here's another tree that fell down. It took out this king palm. And it's coming back though, look. This thing was knocked all the way over. So we put it back and we staked it, and they're like, it's probably gonna die, right? I'm like, no, it's probably gonna live. So anyway, beautiful king palm. These beautiful, 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 look at the light, the way it shines through. Trachycarpus, latisectus. Just trimmed them off. Not because they were brown, just because I wanted a little more clearance for the pathway so you could walk through a little easier. But look at that beautiful head. To me, it looks like a luguala. It's so elegant. Look at the inside here. Look at that beautiful tomentose material and a nice elegant little trunk. So this is really a spectacular palm, and we sell it. Nobody ever asks for it because they don't know about it. But I think it's infinitely better than Trachycarpus fortunei, with the only exception that this is hardy only to about 24 degrees, whereas fortunei can handle probably 10. So anyway, that's just a little update. Back to work, Gary.